friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to freely move image in Word. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply open up Word here, which is my Microsoft Word application. And here I'm going to click on a new document, then go to insert an image, this device, and I'm going to basically choose an image. So let me choose this Barcelona logo here, and as you can see I have the Barcelona logo here. I'm trying to move it and I cannot move this image, right? So I cannot move it up, down, nor across, but it's very easy to do. What you want to do, once you have the image selected, you will look to the upper right hand side and you will have the option that says a layout option. So if you click on this, you have a bunch of different options. Now the two options that allow you to really move around this is basically the two that's showing you the behind text and also the in front of text. These two options really allow you to move the image anywhere you want. So if you want it to be behind the text, you can simply click on that and you can move it anywhere you want. Have a look at that. So I can move it. Now if I have some text on my screen, this feature will put the image behind the text, but it will still allow me to move it wherever I want on this page, as you can see. And as I said, the next option there is the in front of, so you can choose in front of text. Now that will move the image in front of any text that you have and you will be able to move it. So I'm going to do two options here. So I'm going to simply write hello, right? And I'm going to make this text very large here by highlighting the text and just maybe like put it to around 72. So here I'm going to click on the image again, and as you can see, it's moving over the text, so you get a good understanding here. And if I click on the behind text as well, let me go back to the feature here, behind, you will see that I can move it and it goes behind the text. But these two options really allow you to move the image freely any place in the document that you want. You can go ahead and you can move it wherever you want, right? So very easy, very simple. Make it smaller and I can even put it right beside here or over or wherever. You get the idea. That's it guys. Very easy and very simple how to freely move image in Word. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.